What up, YouTube, man? We back out here in the garage. Today is finally about to be the day for our 2015 Roadglide. Yesterday, as y'all seen, we finally completed that joint and finally got power to it because we did not have the code to unlock the bike. So we went ahead and called Harley. Harley went ahead and gave us the code to the bike because we had to find the Harley-Davidson dealer that originally produced the bike. So now that we got that, we finally got power. I went ahead and had to get some gas for it. Then I got sidetracked yesterday with all these other things. So that's why I never finished out with trying to start the bike because it got late. I know it's for sure going to be loud. So I'm like, let me just wait till tomorrow. So today is tomorrow. So it's game time, man. We about to go ahead and try to get a first start on this thing. But without further ado, make sure y'all enter to win into our silver bullet giveaway. We are almost sold out. We got first place up for grabs with the 2015 Silverado paired together with our 2019 Roadglide that's getting built right behind us with the custom frame off, the nice paint, and we got a custom set of rims coming on that joint. So stay tuned for that. You already know that's only first place. Second place, we got our second 2015 right here that we're currently building. And I know it look a little bit crazy right now, but stay tuned because it's only the beginning. I'm telling y'all. You already know how we do it. We're going to have this thing coming from this to that to this. So these are the final 3 stages the bike is going to be in. I know right now it's like, I don't know, but this bike was once upon a time just like this. And you already know how I'm going to do it, man. We're going to go from the rooter to the tutor. So it's only going to get better, y'all. But y'all see what's going on, man. We got the garage cleared out and cleaned up. I'm feeling good. I'm trying to get this thing started today. I got some faith. I just hope everything is what it needs to be. Yesterday we left off, like I said, with no gas because Antonio be emptying them out when he paint them. So I got a good little gallon right here. We're going to put that gas, try to get a startup. If that work out perfect, we're going to go ahead and finish up the last little bit of touches on this bike. So this weekend we could deliver this joint to the winner. So stay tuned for that, man, because I'm honestly trying to slide to San Diego and get some bike content for y'all out here in Cali. So I'm trying to get this bike delivery going ASAP, even if I can do it tomorrow, literally. So stay tuned, man. We getting it in. We sliding, not hiding. Make sure I enter to win to the silver bullet giveaway. If you don't know how to do that, you got to go in the description below, grab you a sliding keychain, sliding, not hiding keychain, or a Built by Dre keychain. Any one of those 3 keychains is going to be entry into the giveaway. And get an entry while you can right now for $25 because I'm telling you, it's about to be over with. But we about to get to it, y'all. We got a lot to do, man. So first thing first. Let's lift this garage up. Let's get some light in this joint. So now we got that. We're gonna go ahead and put the bike up. We're about to pull it up, get some space so that way the exhaust not hitting the wall. And then we're gonna go ahead and make magic, man. So let's get to it, y'all. So we done finally made some progress, y'all. We done got the gas inside of this joint. So basically now I have to go ahead and try to start it. So yesterday when I was trying to start it, I noticed it was backfiring a little bit just off me trying to crank it over. So I know the last time I had that problem, it was a spark plug issue. So we went ahead and just checked it out right now. I honestly want to switch it, but I'm gonna try to give it a start without it first and see how that work out. So first thing first, I gotta put the camera down and put the code in. So I'm gonna put y'all on a tripod stand real fast, and then we're gonna try to give it a start. If that don't work, we're gonna switch it and try it again. So stay tuned. It's a movie. Hey, we home. told y'all I wasn't playing. We had faith today, baby. Oh, hold on. Hold on now. Baby. Hold on, don't do it to him. Hey. Oh my God, y'all don't even know. Hey, I'm excited. I told y'all we coming, man. We done finally got the 2015 cammed out in the garage, sounding good. It's crazy. It's time to go up. We got it going. All we gotta do is get it running. We're not even running, we gotta get it riding. I'm amped up, man. That is crazy. We that much closer to success, I'm telling y'all, man. I am focused, boy. Oh, it's up. Oh, hold on, let me hear it one more time. Oh yeah, that thing is camming. Oh yeah, popping like a bag of Pop Rocks. Oh yeah, it's game time. I can't wait. Y'all don't even understand. I can't wait. It's up. I'm telling you. Ooh wee, it's up, baby. I cannot wait. After all the time, all the work, all the hassle, y'all don't even understand. It's amazing to hear this bike fire up. We firing this joint up next. But y'all see it. I'm telling you, we coming. Oh yeah, we coming. Y'all hear it. I am happy. Y'all don't even know, man. But yeah, we about to get back to it. I don't know what I'm about to do because I want to hear this bike all day. But nah, we about to I gotta finish bleeding the clutch line a little bit more. And let me tell y'all something. I'ma always show my love and get back to the homies that look out for me. Shout out to the homie BUILTBYDRE. Subscribe to that dude YouTube right now. Let me tell y'all something real funny. I'll never forget, we was back at my shop before I moved. I had just finished the Texas Street Glide to the winter, my second giveaway bike. I had the same problem. Starting the bike, I couldn't remember why I wouldn't cut on. And I thought about it, I said, damn, I remember I called Ray. Ray pulled up. All my boy did was switch the spark plug wires around because you can hear the timing is off. So right now, I was about to call him. I'm like, hell no, I remember last time. And just like that, we got it going. I'm telling y'all, it's up. Oh, I'm feeling good as a motherfucker, boy. Woo. I know that neighbors ain't liking me, but I don't care. We get into it. We get into it. Ain't nothing but to do it. Yes, sir, man, I am amped up. I cannot believe we got it going just like that. We got that 91 octane up in that joint, and y'all hear it rumbling, jumbling, man. But like I said, I gotta let it warm up. I don't wanna have it going crazy. That little ruckle noise is that front rotor. I gotta make sure those bolts is tightened up. But y'all see what it is, man, I'm loving it. Oh, hold on now. We're about to boil the damn brake line. But yeah, let me cut this joint off, y'all. So yeah, man, we done finally cut it off. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm kind of lost for words right now. It's amazing because y'all don't understand when you work for yourself, do everything for yourself. Some things you just have to see for yourself. And with this type of build that I've been having, dealing with all this crazy stuff, it's been a super long journey because I'm telling y'all, this bike was literally the same exact paint, same exact damage, same exact year as that bike. And it came in like that. So for it to leave looking like this on the side of that bike, how it previously was, is mind-blowing. Especially on top of the fact of how clean it is. That pig spit got the motor shining. We got the powder coated parts. We got the color washers and whatnot. Everything is doing its part and it's all looking good combined all together. That's why I'm telling y'all, we got to go up every chance, man. Look at how crazy things work. I just woke up determined the past 2 days. I swear to you, I could have did this last night. I swear to y'all. Only reason why I didn't is because I had so much other stuff I wanted to focus on, and I didn't want to upset myself and not get the bike started after me completing everything that I already did yesterday. That's the only reason why I was telling myself I'm gonna just wait till tomorrow, which is today. We got it going. Goal accomplished. That's why now the next goal is getting this thing riding and rolling. So we got it fired up and started. We're gonna go ahead and check the fluids, check everything, make sure everything is what it needs to be. Then we're gonna go over the last finishing pieces and get everything 100%. And it's game time. I'll see you in Sacramento if you're watching, man, because I'm telling you, it's time now. You didn't heard it fire up, man. You done seen all the trials and tribulations on here, but it's game time, man. And to make it that much better when y'all get to watch and see my struggle and turn into greatness, man. Even though we ain't struggling, but we still going through it. It's ups and it's downs and it's frowns. But at the end of the day, we didn't stop. We stayed focused and we got to it and made it happen, man. That's why we got to keep going, keep executing. executing and keep getting to where we need to be, because we be that much closer with a little bit of faith and determination, man. That's why we got to keep applying ourselves every day, because I'm telling you, just like that, man, we got this thing juiced up, looking good, and we got it shining cleaned up. Y'all seen how dirty it was? Look how much cleaner it is, man. Y'all cannot tell me, man. That's why I tell y'all, enter to win into the Silver Bullet giveaway. We got this joint right here live up first place with the truck. We waiting on the motor to arrive. We got custom rims, powder coated frame, powder coated parts. Second place, we got another 2015 Roadglide going to look just as good as this joint. That's why I cannot wait, because I'm telling you, this joint is out of here. For real though, this joint is out of here, boy. Oh, y'all know how good it feels. I'm telling you, I feel so amped up right now, man. It's crazy, and this thing sound good. They got a built motor. Y'all hear that, Cam? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That sound good compared to all these stock bikes I've been hearing for the past few. The 13 for sure. The last Road King I had was stock, and it sound nowhere near like that. But I know most certainly this bike run like a champ. So now we gotta wait on that first ride, man. So hopefully next video y'all see y'all gonna get that first ride, because I'm telling you, it's game time, man. We making progress, we growing, we elevating, and we getting to the top, man. That's why we gotta keep going up and keep going every second of the minute of the day, man, because every second counts. But that's a wrap for this video, man. This is gonna be our third video for the day. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna have some more content for y'all tomorrow. Hopefully off camera I can get a first ride to where tomorrow y'all can see that video first thing in the morning. So tune in, not out, man. We sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on. I appreciate y'all for watching and tuning in with your boy in the garage, because I'm telling y'all we coming live from the I-949 by 9, man. Y'all see what's going on. Appreciate y'all, man. We sliding.